Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming 5G coverage where you use your phone most daily. Check carrier maps and use Signal apps to verify N41 or N78 band presence. Decide between unlimited tiers and note deprioritization or speed caps details. Compare 2 or 3 carriers, including MVNO, that offer unlimited 5G data plans. Confirm handset compatibility with 5G bands and that your SIM supports 5G. Buy the correct SIM or request carrier provisioning to enable unlimited 5G access. Record plan names and account numbers, update carrier settings, and install the correct SIM or eSIM profile before activation. Power cycle the phone after SIM install to force network registration and provisioning. Enable 5G mode in network settings and verify APN entries match carrier specs. Open the carrier app and confirm unlimited plan features like hotspot, streaming quality, and deprioritization rules. Activate mobile hotspot and test with a laptop to verify upload and download connectivity. If provisioning fails, contact carrier support and request manual profile push or remote provisioning. Run periodic speed tests and record results to track deprioritization or throttling. Compare peak and off-peak speeds to determine if limits or speed caps apply. Use Wi-Fi calling and tethering rules to reduce cellular congestion impact during busy hours. Disable background syncing or set app limits to conserve priority in contested networks. If speeds or caps contradict your plan, contact retention or support and request escalation with logs. Document dates, test results, and support case numbers before filing any regulator complaint or negotiating credits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.